Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take your ordinary photos and transform them into stunning futuristic scenes straight out of a cyberpunk city. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Starting off with the lights, adjust the exposure, the contrast, highlights and shadows, whites and blacks. In the color tab, we're going to move the slider to the left. For the tint, we're going to move it to the right. We're going to add some saturation, open up the effects tab, reduce the texture, the clarity, dehaze, and add some vignette. In the curves panel, we're going to make a U curve, something like this. For the most important part, open up the color mixer. The reds should go more towards the orange tone, orange to the orange, yellow to the left, greens to the right, aquas to the right, blues to the left, purples to the right, magentas to the right as well. We're going to saturate mostly the blues, the purples, and the magentas. We're going to slightly add more aquas. All the other colors we're going to reduce a little bit in saturation. For the luminance, we're going to reduce it for the reds, oranges, yellows, and greens, and add more for the aquas, blues, purples, and magenta. Open up the color grading tab, select the shadows, click and drag this dot on a dark blue. Select your highlights now, and we're going to move this to a magenta color. Press OK. We're going to press Command J to duplicate our image. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. We can add it at an angle. I'm going to go with 45 degrees and reduce the distance quite a bit. Then change blending mode from normal to lighten. Duplicate this layer as well, reveal the layer effects, double click on the blur, and go with a negative 45-degree angle. This way you get this nice star filter effect. The cool thing about this way of doing it is that, let's say you want to apply the same effect to a different image. All you have to do is click on the thumbnail of your smart object, drag and drop your photo in there, Command S to save it, and if you go back to your original file, you have the same exact effects applied to your image. You can try that with a night scene, save it, and there you have it. How cool is this? Anyways, I'll show you some befores and afters. What you can also do is double click on your camera raw filter effect, and it'll take you back and you'll have all your settings in there. You can click on these three dots and create a preset, rename this, and press OK. So now whenever you want to edit an image, all you have to do is in the camera raw, just click here, and under user presets, you have your cyberpunk effect. How sick is this? I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment down below if you have any tutorial requests or suggestions. Linked down below are all my texture packs, my gradient map packs, and all of that good stuff. So be sure to check them out. There's so many freebies in there for you guys too. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!